Welcome to TechLiber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA control panel display setting missing on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go to your device manager. Just right click on your start button, and then from here, just go to this device manager. Then just expand this section. From here, just expand display adapters. Then just right click on NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 or whatever your GPU name is. Just right click on it. Click on disable device, and after that go ahead and right click on it again and click on enable device. And after you have done that, you also need to update the drivers for it. So just right click on it and click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers. As you can see, I have already the best driver installed. If you don't, it's gonna install it for you. Just click on close. One more important thing, if you don't see your GPU listed here, that is because your drivers are not installed. So just go to the official website of NVIDIA and just download your required drivers. And after that, just close this. And after that, what you need to do is just go to search and search for services. In the best matches, you'll find services. Just open this. From here, just search for NVIDIA display. There you go, NVIDIA display container LS. Just right click on it. Click on properties. From here, make sure startup type is set to automatic. Also, just stop the service and restart it. Just click on start again. Click on apply, click on OK. After that, just close this. And after that, just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. After that, you should be able to access NVIDIA control panel's display settings. And that is how to fix NVIDIA control panel display setting missing or not showing on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.